In the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic in Vietnam, together with the support from International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, the International Committee of the Red Cross and sister nation societies, Vietnam Red Cross has mobilized its resources at all levels to deliver prompt action to control the pandemic and support people affected by the COVID-19. After the first infected case was detected in Vietnam, Vietnam Red Cross has timely implemented communication activities on COVID-19 prevention and control measures, developed response plan, and mobilized resources to support COVID-19 response frontline forces. To date, over 12,000 public communication events were organized to raise people's awareness on COVID-19 prevention, with more than 2.4 million participants, distributed 100,000 communication flyers, 7.5 million free face masks, over 800,000 soaps and hand sanitizers, 6,540 sets of personal protective equipment clothes. Voluntary blood donation recruitment is also conducted to avoid the lack of blood supply in emergency situation amid COVID-19 pandemic, with 430,000 blood units were collected. Vietnam Red Cross not only contributed to the national COVID-19 response, but also joined hands to support other countries overcoming such difficult moments. Particularly, Vietnam Red Cross donated over 800,000 medical masks to China, Cambodia, India, and the US, as well as contributed $30,000 to the global appeal of the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. The total value of Vietnam Red Cross COVID-19 response-related activities reached 157 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to $7 million. In line with COVID-19 prevention activities, Vietnam Red Cross also focused on assisting people affected by the pandemic. 350 humanitarian markets were organized with a total value of 35 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to $1.5 million. This model aimed to provide free food necessities for those who are in difficult circumstances, severely affected by natural disaster and epidemics in various areas. In addition, donation by text message campaigns was also implemented by Vietnam Red Cross to support those affected by saline water intrusion, especially to intensify humanitarian activities nationally and internationally. Vietnam Red Cross has participated in Y Nhân Đạo project, which provides timely and transparent support to those in difficult circumstances. In the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, Vietnam Red Cross has affirmed its role as a key humanitarian organization in Vietnam, an auxiliary role to Vietnamese government, and an active member of the international movement of the Red Cross and Red Crescent to connect people and spread humanitarian value.